Sanibona ekuseni bafowethu. Nginibingelele nje. I hope niyaphila. And I hope ukuthi nonke nizitholile indaba izolo when upresident wethu signed expropriation bill. Yabo? And everybody is like happy ukuthi umhlaba uzobuyela kubantu. Ayikho lonto. Yabo leyo nto leyo ayikho. Thina siyakwazi ukubona if ukuthi kudlalwa ipolitiki entweni. Okay? Ake sichazeke lento ukuthi why ngisho kanjalo. Kunalento ekuthiwa i-preemptive doctrine or a preemptive policy. Before size siye further ake sichazeni lo preempt qala usho ukuthini upreempt. Upreempt is to prevent something from happening, ukuba proactive. Before it even happen, we to avoid something from happening prior. Uyayibona lona. So ke lo preemptive doctrine uclear in its mandate. It says that anything in conflict with a constitution is considered null and void. Okay? Anything that we in conflict with a constitution is considered null and void. Lokho ngicela ukuthi ukwazi. Uyabo? So ke nathi indaba la. Ilento le bill le signiwe izolo. Azoma izolo noma ikuthangini. But le bill ye expropriation conflicta no section 25 of the constitution. Section 25 still stands and say willing buyer, willing seller. That's how umhlaba is acquired kulezi insuku. If ufuna umhlaba thenga from umuntu odayisayo. Angithi uyayizwa lonto. And then wena uzoshaya umthetho which says that you expropriate land. How are you planning to expropriate land when your bill says that you're gonna expropriate without a compensation? And then the constitution says willing buyer, willing seller. Uyabona sekune conflict kulezo zinto zo2. Mina ngizokutshela, this was a gimmick from uRamaphosa. This was a gimmick from uRamaphosa to try and be president or onjani onesibindi to expropriate land from abantu abamhlophe. Ayikho lonto leyo. Yakungitshela umuntu who studied law couldn't even see into which is not a rocket science, because nami ngiyakwazi ukuyibona. Angiyenzanga ilaw, uyabo, a broad spectrum of law, but I did a public law kwilento yami as a module on my degree. Uyabo? So ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi mina ngenza i public law kuphela. And then there's people abenze a fully fledged law course. Abafana na uRamaphosa, they couldn't see ukuthi lento is in conflict with the constitution. Anything that conflicts with constitution is considered null and void. Which is the same, uyabona nje ngizokutshela. If kuukuthi there's any rights of an inmate that was violated during isikhathi sokuthi lentuzwe aboshwe, angama with that in court and I win icase yakhe. I win, which is the same la. Uyabona la, if kuukuthi they saying that by implement, mina I'm just thinking ukuthi uplana kanjani implement something a conflict ne constitution, because phela I constitution iyona supreme law of our country. So which means that anything which you are trying to implement and it conflicts now, you can't. The first thing you need to do is to change section 25 of the constitution. And then after changing section 25 of the constitution, that law clause, after it has changed and said the state can expropriate land without a compensation, then I will see ukuthi it's easily implemented. Le bill which was promulgated njengamanje. We can't say ukuthi bill has been promulgated and yet leyo bill leyo still isa conflicts nelentuzi neconstitution yethu yabo it doesn't make sense kumina it really doesn't make sense if kuukuthi nifuna ukuba considered as abantu abasebenzayo and nifuna ukuthi nisebenzele abantu shintshana usection 25 of iconstitution awukwazi ukunquma umsila wenyoka and hope for it to die while ungakalikhiphi ikhanda lapha phambili uyabo mawukuthi into ufuna ukuthi inyoka ife straight shala lapha ekhanda and njengamanje uRamaphosa unqume umsila iwona unqumile enyokeni and he hopes ukuthi izofa lo nyoka ayikho into efana naleyo ayikaze futhi yenzeka ngeke futhi iziyenzeke uyabona nje if ukuthi ufuna ukuthi lento kwangempela kuukuthi you want umhlaba ukuthi ubuyele kubantu shintsha usection 25 of iconstitution and then le bill so ikhuluma late yabo hayi lesi stand ozama ukusiphula njengamanje because uzama ukukhankasa for 2026 and 2028 ubuyise amandla ANC lawa iKZN okubheka imntolo okutshenayo ukuthi wena you need to account for it because you lost the majority. Yes, you need to account for it. And njengamanje you trying to pull it and engayindawo. We can see through igimmick ukuthi igimmick ke le. Mina nje ngeke uzungixhophe ngalento eyenzile. Lento eyenzile ngeke uzungixhophe ngayo. I know for sure ukuthi le bill it will be hard ukuthi ibe implemented because it conflicts with our constitution. It is simple as that. Especially lokhu kuya kubantu abe MK because I know ukuthi they asking themselves ukuthi where does EMK stands kulele nto zaleni yabo but ke anyway lokho that was just my 2 cents words EMK ngiyacabanga ukuthi iskiphile statement sayo yabo ngiyacabanga ukuthi EMK iskiphile statement sayo ngiyena spokesperson bafethu angibonge shalom.